Amazing morning, everyone. My name is Erica Ramasreda. I'm actually a registered nurse, but now I am doing I Am Worldwide full-time. Maybe some of you, nakita nyo na yung billboard ng I Am Worldwide sa EDSA. And maybe some of you, nakita mo na yung amazing pure organic barley na product natin through internet. And maybe some of you, na-invite ka na ng kakilala mo. For whatever reason you are here right now, I am very excited to share with you kung paano ba magsisimula ng I Am Worldwide business and paano kakikita dito, just like the many of us who said yes to this amazing opportunity. So now, let me begin my quick I Am business presentation. So the name of our company is I Am Worldwide. The goal of I Am Worldwide is to share hope, health, opportunity, prosperity for everyone. So mamaya isa-isahin po natin yan. Now, let me share with you our I Am Worldwide ambassadors. Meron po ba kayong namumukaan sa kanila? Diba? Nandito po si Miss Maritoni Fernandez, our Barley Queen. And nandito rin po si Mr. Piolo Pascual. And of course, Miss Heart Evangelista, Mr. Alden Richards, one of the actors in GMA. Sikat na sikat po yan. And of course, Marian Rivera Dantes. Diba? Ang ating endorser, ambassador ng ating amazing pure organic barley. Mahilig ka sa mga K-pop, diba? Si Ji Chang Wook, isa sa mga endorser po natin sa I Am Worldwide. And Andres and Natasha Mulak, the Mulak Twins. Nandito po sila. And of course, Carlos Yulo, Small Laude, and Senator Robin Padilla. So ito po yung ating I Am Worldwide ambassadors. So ito pong mga tao na to, very legitimate, diba? Mataas na po yung kanilang narating sa kanilang field. And I do believe na hindi po nila pipili ng I Am Worldwide if this is not a legit company that they can also be proud of. And aside from that, ito po si Ji Chang Wook, wherein siya po ay pupunta sa Pilipinas just for our 8th-year anniversary, o diba? And if kilala nyo po ang Bini, the Nation's Girl Group po ay also part of I Am Worldwide. Now, ika nga po ni Miss Heart, success is having the right partner. So it is very true not only in business but also in life. So ito po yung partners natin. Our BODs, our President Allen Marvin Yu Eder, and of course, our VP Aika Lorraine Uy. Their combined experience po in this business is more than 20 years already. And ang goal po nila is to really give Filipinos yung opportunity na makapag-start ka magnegosyo and kumita kahit nasa bahay, kahit nasaan ka man po sa buong mundo. And I Am Worldwide is actually 8 years na po in the business as we speak 2025. But we are multi-awarded na po. One of the awards, ito po no, most sustainable and livable company and best new company, rising star company, and the fastest growing business opportunity company. So ganyan po kaganda yung negosyo natin. And we do have our branches nationwide, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and we also have branches po international. Meron na po tayo sa Japan, open na po yan. We have one in Qatar, Dubai, Kuwait, the Middle East, and also Italy. Sa Europe, meron na rin po. Ang office po natin sa USA, New York po, open na rin po yan. So we are currently expanding nationwide and worldwide. So ito po yung ating mga anniversary. Our first anniversary was celebrated in MOA Arena. Grabe no, first year pa lang, napuno na po yung MOA Arena. Second year anniversary was in Araneta Coliseum. Third year anniversary, unfortunately, it's the time of pandemic, pero we are able to celebrate it at Itbulaga, o diba, longest running noontime show. And of course, every event namimigay ang I Am Worldwide ng milyon-milyong prizes. 5 million, naging 6 million to 7 million. Last year po, we are able to give away, 'di ba, 10 million worth of raffle prizes. Yung isa po, 'di ba, Camaro, which is magkano, 3 to 4 million po ang prize, and 7 winners of 1 million pesos. Ito po yung ating anniversary last year sa MOA Arena, and now we will have our Dominate event on October 19. And grabe po, because this will actually happen for the first time na merong 8 winners of 800,000 pesos and 1 winner of 8 million pesos. Sino kaya yung magiging instant millionaire? Hindi lang basta millionaire, 8 million richer after the event, o diba? So ganyan po ka-generous yung ating company. Now, let's start with health. Do you believe that health is wealth and prevention is always better than cure? Tama po, no? Nung bata po tayo, we have a lot of time. We do have good health, but we don't have money. Ito po yung time na nanghingi pa tayo sa parents natin. Well, ngayon po, na adults na po tayo, diba? We have good health, we have money dahil may trabaho na po, may source of income na, but we don't have time. We're so busy with our work, with our business, but eventually, when we grow older, meron po tayong time kung ikaw ay retired na, may money ko nakaipon, but our health is deteriorating, and eventually, maubos po ang time and money. Kaya nga po, so many people spend their health gaining wealth, then they have to spend their wealth to regain their health. Yan po yung sad reality. Kahit pala gaano ka kasipag magtrabaho ng bata ka, nag-ipon ka, pero hindi ka nag-ingat sa health mo, lahat po ng iyong naipon mapupunta lang sa hospital, sa bills, maintenance, sa doctor, etc. Diba? Kaya po, it's better na kahit wala ka pang nararamdaman, mag-ingat na po tayo sa health natin. And everything started with Miss Maritoni Fernandez. I know some of you, narinig na po yung story niya. Siya po ay isang actress here in the Philippines. Na-diagnose po siya ng breast cancer stage 2 and the doctor says she has only like 5 years to live. And dahil po nagki-chemotherapy siya, nasira po ang kanyang ovaries. Therefore, sabi ng doctor, since hindi na siya nagme-menstruation, hindi na siya pwedeng magkaanak. So, grabe yung pinagdaanan po ni Miss Maritoni, no? It was really dreadful. But then, sabi niya, I need to fight for my life kasi that time po, single mom po siya. Meron po siyang anak, si Lexi, bata pa that time, and ayaw niya pong maiwan. That's why she researched how to boost my immune system the natural way and she found out about this amazing product called barley. Now, marami pong barley sa market. May barley sa New Zealand, sa Japan, etc. Pero, ang pinili po ni Miss Maritoni, the most potent soil for barley, yung pinakamagandang soil sa pagtubo ng barley, and that is the Australian soil. So, at first, ginamit niya muna personal use. Siya po muna ang umiinom. But then, naging maganda po yung effect sa kanya. You know why? Lahat po na sinabi ng doktor na baliktad ng product. Number 1, she is more than 23 years cancer-free na. Imagine yung 5 years na extend na ng more than 20 years. And at the same time, na-heal po yung kanyang ovaries and nagkaroon pa po siya ng pangalawang anak na ngayon po ay binata na. O diba? Yung imposible, natulungan po siya ng Amazing Pure Organic Barley na maging posible. Since maganda yung product, ang sabi ni Miss Maritoni, why not share it to other people? Kasi kung gumaling po siya, nakatulong po sa kanya. So, it's your moral obligation to share to other people, right? That's why po, nagtaya po tayo with I Am Worldwide and now, we are the sole distributor of Amazing Pure Organic Barley from Australia here in the Philippines and worldwide. Po, no, si Dr. Yoshide Hagiwara, pinag-aralan niya po, isa po siyang Japanese scientist. Ano bang mayroon sa barley? Bakit maganda siya? And he found out na ang barley po ay may 68 micronutrients found in a single source. So sa isang inuman mo na, complete na po ang inyong maiinom A to Z. It's the only vegetation on earth that can supply nutritional support from birth to old age. So ibig sabihin po, pwede po siya sa bata, matanda, baby, 6 months old pataas, so may sakit, walang sakit, ayaw magkasakit. So pwede po siya kahit kanino. Wala po siyang unwanted side effects, wala po siyang contraindication. Ganyan po ka-healthy yung barley natin. And if you will check on it, ang ORAC value po niya, mas mataas pa sa fruits and vegetables with 25,500. Did you know that it has been mentioned in the Bible for more than 37 times and even in Quran? Even in the time of our ancestors, ginagamit na yung barley. Ganyan po siya kaganda. Now, ano po ba yung mga sakit na natulungan po ng barley? So, meron pong kidney stone, may diabetic, merong severe erythrodermic psoriasis, diba? Aneurysm, gastritis, vertigo, myoma, meningitis, lymphoma, meron pong GERD, different kinds of cancer, may stroke, may Bell's palsy. Just like what I've said po, there is no contraindication and there is no unwanted side effects. So, kahit anong sakit, pwede pong uminom ng barley. And ito po, one of our legitimate buyer. If you're familiar with Aldo Shoes and Bags, ito po si Aldo Bensadun. So, siya po ay may-ari po nung kumpanya na yon, diba? Pero, he is also a user of Amazing Pure Organic Barley. Dito natin marirealize na health is the greatest equalizer, no? It doesn't matter kung ikaw ay mayaman o mahirap, pero lahat po tayo kailangan natin ng good health. And also, we have the Italian model, si Rachel De Fiore, merong best-selling book author. If you're familiar with Markel Kors, yung creative director is also user of our Amazing Pure Organic Barley. So, ganyan po kaganda yung produkto natin. Even itong mga high-profile, legitimate people, they're using the product. Now, ano bang meron sa barley? Alam niyo po ba that barley has 11 times more calcium than milk, 7 times more vitamin C than orange juice? Sino po dito nakakainom? Orange juice palagi. 5 times more iron than spinach, 4 times more vitamin B1 than wheat flour. bar. Contains 8 of the essential amino acids, everything that the body needs, nasa isang inuman ng barley. And contains 80 milligrams of B12. So, ganyan po kaganda yung product natin. Now, ano pong nagagawa ng barley sa katawan natin? It destroys cancer cells, pambuild ng immunity, slimming toxin remover, pwede pong pampaganda ng skin, prevents allergies, pampababa po ng cholesterol, hypertension, blood sugar, arthritis, lahat. So like what I've said, it works on the cellular level. Kung ano po yung kailangan ng katawan natin, yun po yung i-repair ng barley natin. Now, it's also colon cleanser. Nililinis niya po yung katawan natin, yung mga toxins inilalabas po ng barley. Now, meron pong dalawang klase ng barley, no? We have our Amazing Pure Organic Barley Powder, which is pwede mong timplahin as a juice, just like yung iniinom po nila. And also, we have yung ating Amazing Pure Organic Barley Capsule. So, if you will ask me what's the difference between our barley capsule and barley powder, 6 capsule is equivalent to 1 sachet. Kaya po ako personally, I drink 1 sachet of barley every day. Now, if you don't like the taste, though acquired taste naman po siya, it tastes like matcha green tea, but some people, they don't like yung pure na lasa, they opted to choose our capsule. So, whatever you want, pwede po yan. Then, we also have our amazing Choco Barley. So, it's a drink mix na chocolate with stevia. Kaya po ang lasa po nito, chocolate pero hindi mo alam may barley. Pwede po ito sa mga bata pero pwede rin sa isip bata. Ayan po yung ina-endorse na ating Beanie Girls. And of course, we also have our Immunergy. Ang barley po kasi natin is almost complete from A to Z. The only thing that is missing is yung vitamin D. Now, we have to supplement that kasi hindi naman po tayo lahat palaging naaarawan, di ba? So, we have our Immunergy. Ito po yung kagandahan. Lahat po tayo may inom halos ng vitamin C pero it will not only come with vitamin C but also with vitamin D, zinc, and moringa oleifera. That's 4-in-1. Ako rin po, umiinom po ako nito every day. Sino ba mahilig magkape? Taas ng kamay. O, diba? Ako po, I'm a coffee lover. And ang good news po, we have 6 kinds of coffee, healthy coffee in I Am Worldwide. So, we have our coffee mix with Tongkat Ali, energy booster for men. Pwede rin po for women. And we also have our coffee mix with glutathione, detoxifier of liver. And also, we have our cafe latte and cafe mocha with barley and alkaline. What's good about our coffee is meron na siyang barley, which is alkaline in nature. Kaya kung, let's say, acidic ka, like meron po akong client na ganun, acidic siya, hindi siya makapagkape, sumasakit ng tiyan niya, pero nung uminom po siya ng cafe latte, nakainom po siya ng matiwasay kasi hindi na po sumakit ang sikmura niya. Why? Because, then again, barley is alkaline in nature. It combats yung acidity ng coffee. And we also have our amazing black coffee with organic barley. If you want naman na matapang yung kape na kaya kang ipaglaban. So, we have our black coffee with barley. And ito po yung pinaka-paborito ko sa lahat. As in, everyday. Lagi po ako may baon sa bag ko. Kahit nagpupunta po ako sa mga coffee shop, ito pa rin ang iniinom ko. This is our amazing slim cafe macchiato. Napakasarap po nito. As in, lagi itong sold out kasi ang dami pong umiinom pero ang mura lang po niya. Endorsed by Mr. Alden Richards. So, sobrang sarap po ng coffee natin sa I Am Worldwide. Now, kung kagaya ko, gusto mo namang pumayat, meron po tayong solusyon dyan. This is our amazing Garcinia Cambogia Slimming Juice naman. So, this is a grape juice. Masarap po ang lasa niya. You can take it alongside with barley kasi yun yung ating slimming duo. And ito po yung pwedeng maging effect. O, diba? Namumukhaan niyo po ba yung babae sa picture? That was me years ago. Sumali po ako sa 60-day challenge ng I Am Worldwide Season 5. Hindi naman po ako nanalo. Yung katabi ko po yung nanalo eh. Laki ng na-lose niya. Pero para sa akin, panalo pa din. Kasi medyo pumayat na po ba? Ang layo na po sa dati, no? Weight ko po before ang pinakamataas is around 68 kilograms. And thank you Lord, kahit papano, naka-lose na po tayo, no? And that is because of our amazing Garcinia. So, yan po yung iniinom natin alongside with amazing pure organic barley and cafe macchiato. So, those are the 3 products na pampaslim naman po natin. Now, if you want to look young and glowing, mga 20 years younger, ito naman po yung product na para sa'yo. This is amazing acai berry extract with collagen and Bacopa monnieri. So, we know naman that acai is a powerful antioxidant and collagen is good for the skin while Bacopa monnieri is good for the brain. So, yan po, it's a combination of everything. Kaya po, si Miss Molaude, diba, she is drinking our acai berry. Masarap po ang lasa niyan. And now, tapos na po tayo sa produkto. Let's go now to opportunity. We have a lot of foreigner business partners na sila po ay nag-join din sa I Am Worldwide. Just imagine po, I Am Worldwide is a Filipino-owned company, pero marami na pong mga foreigners ang nagjo-join din po sa company natin. Dahil maganda ang produkto at maganda rin ang kitaan. Ngayon, paano po ba mag-start? Paano po ba mag-join? 4 simple steps lang po tayo. Number 1, avail a package. So, meron po tayong mga options later. I will lay down. Number 2, use our products kasi when you buy a package, meron ka pong produkto na kapalit. Number 3, learn the business. Don't worry, we will teach you step by step on how to do it. Okay? May mga trainings po tayo, pwedeng online, pwedeng one-on-one, physical. And then number 4 po, earn in 13 ways. Yes, you heard it right. 13 ways of earning. Napakarami pong way. But I will not discuss everything. Konti lang, pero dun pa lang, panalo ka na. Now, what are the packages? So, we do have our associate and executive packages. Normally, mga students po, yung nag-a-avail ng ating silver package, 16,800. Pero may kasama na po siyang 17 boxes ng barley. So, para bumili ka lang ng maramihan, member ka na because 1 box is 1,000 pesos. Now, how about gold package? That's 44,800 and you will get 45 boxes, so pantay. And then platinum, 112,000, you will get 112 boxes, so pantay pa din. But ito po yung package na pinili ko. You know why? Kasi po sa Jade package, yes, that's 198,800. Yan na po yung pinakamalaki natin package, pero yan din po ang pinakamaganda. Bakit? Kasi po, aside sa 200 boxes, nakapalit po ng Jade, ngayon po, the company will give you additional 50,000 pesos worth of free product. Diba? So just imagine, you will get a total of 250,000 pesos worth of package in the price of 198,800. Hindi ka pa po nagsisimula, panalo ka na. If we will compare po, if you can see, sa lahat po ng packages, lahat po yan ay pantay. Okay, kung magkano binayad mo, ganun po yung babalik sa'yo. But only ang Jade package ang may free na 50,000. That's the reason why I chose that package. Ito po yung mga options. So, pwede namang mix. Ang best seller po natin ay pure barley. Pero if you want naman other products, pwede po yan. And then, 13 ways of earning. Ngayon po, I will not discuss everything like what I've said, but I will only discuss mga 5 to 6. But dun pa lang, panalong-panalo na tayo. Let's start with number 1. This is retailing. Maybe some of you gusto mo mag-join sa I Am Worldwide dahil sa discount. Good news, once you become a member, you are entitled to have 30 to 50% discount lifetime sa lahat ng produkto ng I Am Worldwide na na-discuss ko kanina. So just for example, 1 barley is 1,000 in the market. Once you become a member, 50% discount ka na, you avail it at 500. Now, merong gustong bumili sa'yo. Kasi legit distributor ka ng barley natin, you will have a profit of 500 pesos per box. Kaya po yung mga estudyante, magaling lang mag-posting online, kumikita po 500 in a day. Let's say 1 box a day, di ba? How about kung 10 boxes ang nabenta? So that's 5,000 ang profit mo, 5,000. So wala naman po tong quota. If magaling ka magbenta, good for you. If hindi naman, that's fine kasi walang pressure. You don't have to sell anything. Okay, so that is for the retailing. Now, let's go to prosperity. Prosperity for everyone. These are the people po na nabago na ang buhay because of I Am Worldwide. Different backgrounds. Diba? May mga estudyante, may dentista, may car racer, may nurses, may seaman, may makeup artist, merong BPO, may OFW. Iba-iba po ng background. But let me share the story of Miss Christine Perez. Si Christine Perez po ay high school graduate. Actually, matalino siya. Din sister siya nung college. Pero sa sobrang talino niya, no, na-realize niya na bakit ko papapatagalin? Kung pwede ko naman simulan ang negosyo ngayon. So, she started her business while studying. And right now po, 14 million na po ang kinita niya. O, diba? Grabe, high school graduate but was able to earn 14 million in a span of how many years lang. We also have our power couple, Mentor Mirasol and Jonathan Capili. Sila po ay mga negosyante. Meron po silang 3 computer shop before sa Intramuros. Pero nung nakita nila yung ganda ng I Am Worldwide business in comparison sa traditional na negosyo, kasi pag traditional na business, hindi nila maiwan. Iniisip nila baka makupitan, manakawan habang wala. Pero sa I Am Worldwide kasi, meron kang peace of mind because there is a system na hindi ka mananakawan or walang mawawala sa'yo. Sila po ay kumita na ng more than 20 million and yung mga anak po nila nag-aaral sa Lasal. And they are just traveling the world for free because of I Am Worldwide. So yun po yung maganda po sa negosyo natin. Kapag kayo pong mag-asawa, gusto nyo po ng isang account, it's okay. Okay? Because we only allow 1 account policy. Then if you want na mag-asawa po kayo, isang account, pwede po yan. And we also have our millionaire mom entrepreneur, si Miss Princess Patsy, former nurse, but a full-time mom. Pag nanay, di ba, iniisip mo, wala ka ng oras para gawin ng ibang bagay. Pero because of I Am Worldwide, she was able to earn 1 million while pregnant, o diba? And right now po, 21 million circle na po si Miss Patsy, and dapat siya mag-abroad, pero hindi na siya tumuloy. Ngayon, if you will ask me, ikaw, Miss Erica, ano na ba nangyari sa'yo sa I Am Worldwide? So ako po, like what I've said, I'm a nurse by profession, but I'm currently doing I Am Worldwide full-time. Wala na po akong ibang trabaho, wala po akong ibang negosyo, ito lang po ang ginagawa ko, and yet, nabago po ang buhay ko. Alam niyo po ba, na yung 198,800 ko na kapital, ngayon po, as we speak, 2025, 30 million pesos na po yung naging kapalit ng capital ko. Just imagine, 155 times return of capital. And not only that, I was able to get my first car, Fortuner, first sports car, yung Mustang, first supercar, Lamborghini. I'm driving a Lamborghini Huracan here in Manila. And I was able to get 2 properties also out of I Am Worldwide, my condo in Pasig, and now I live in my 3-story house and lot here in Greenwood. So just imagine, lahat po ng mga bagay na to ay imposible sa labas. Pero dahil po may I Am Worldwide business tayo, lahat po yan ay posible by the grace of God. And yung tao po na may kasalanan kung bakit naging ganito ang buhay namin, siya po si Miss Precious Grace Capili. Siya po yung na-meet ko online, hindi po kami personal na magkakilala. Pero I was really amazed by your story kasi siya po ay UST graduate, Fine Arts Advertising, graphic artist by profession. Pero ngayon po ginawa niya yung I Am Worldwide, ibang-iba na po ang buhay niya. Lahat po ng mga supercar na experience niya, now she's driving a Ferrari. Nagpapagawa ng 4-story house and lot, kumita na po ng over 70 million pesos in the business. And she is our mentor. Yan po talaga yung nakaka-amaze sa negosyo natin. Ordinary people can have extraordinary results. You just have to be an extraordinary opportunity. Right? So now, paano ba kumita ng ganyan? Paano ma-achieve yung mga bagay na yan? We only need 2 to 4 people. May kilala po ba kayo? Gusto ng barley? Gusto ng extra income, gusto pumayat sa Garcinia, mahilig sa kape, o kaya naman gusto ng business. So, kung ano man po yung interest ng kakilala mo, 'di ba, na related sa I Am Worldwide, kausapin po natin. Now, tutulungan po namin kayo kausapin yung mga prospects ninyo. If gusto rin po nila mag-join sa I Am Worldwide, nag-avail po sila ng package, you will have your commission. So for example, yung in-avail niya ay silver, you will get 1,500. Pag gold naman po, 3,500 ang commission mo. Pag platinum, 9,000. Pag jade, 20,000 pesos. Yes, you heard it right. 20,000 pesos. Yan po ang commission mo per package na papasok sa'yo. Your income may vary depending on your package. The higher the package, the higher the income. What if silver ka lang? Ang na-refer mo, jade, will you get 20,000? The answer is no. You will only get 1,500. If ikaw naman ay gold, 3,500 yan. Pero kung naka-refer ka ng jade, will you get 20K? The answer is no. You will only get 3,500. Now, we will have our sales match commission. Ito po yung additional bonus aside pa sa commission natin. What if meron ka pong friend na na-refer kumuha ng jade, yung isa naman kumuha rin ng jade. So both po sila ay referrals mo. Sa direct referral, you will have 20,000. 20,000, that's 40K. Ngayon po, since nakita ng system, may point sa left, may point sa right, automatic ima-match po niya. Kapag jade po, ang matching bonus is 10,000 pesos. So that's 50K. Ngayon po, yung jade mo, naka-refer din ng platinum naman. This time, pag dalawang platinum po, ang match po is 8,000. Kapag naman po dalawang gold, ang match po is 3,000. And then kapag dalawang silver, ang match po ay 1,000. So then again, depende sa package mo, yung kikitain mo din sa match bonus. Just for example, ikaw po ay silver lamang. Tapos ang na-refer mo ay dalawang jade. Instead of getting 10,000, you will only get 1,000. Why? Because ang silver po ay pang 1,000 pesos only. Ano pong mangyari? Natapon po ang 9,000. Balik po sa company. That is our safety net para hindi mag-overpay out ang kumpanya at maging stable. Ngayon po, paano ba makukuha lahat ng income? Maganda, malaki yung package mo. Kasi then again, the higher the package, the higher the income. Pag ikaw naman ay naka-jade, makukuha nyo po ng buo yung 10,000. Hey, are we clear? Now, let's move on to the most exciting part of my presentation. Ito po yung tinatawag na money back bonus. So we have two. First po is give me 5. From the word itself, give me 5. You just need 5 people na interested din po mag-join sa I Am Worldwide at nag-avail ng silver. So for example, 5 silver, you will get 5 times 1.5. That's 7,500 for the direct referral. May match bonus po tayo na 2 silver kasi ito walang match. Okay, 2. So that's 2,000, a total of 9,500. For other companies, ganyan na po yun kung magkano yung direct referral and match bonus, that's it. But with I Am Worldwide, pag nakalima ka, you will unlock the Give Me 5 bonus. Magkano po? That's additional 15,000 pesos. That makes it a total of how much? 24,500 pesos. Yes! Grabe, diba? Imagine, 16,800 ang kapital mo, pero 24,500 ang bumalik. Question, bawi or bawing-bawi? Bawing-bawi po, diba? And take note, it has no time frame. So, for example, it took you like 5 years, very busy ka sa work or sa business. 5 years ka before nakalima. 1 lang per year. Will you still get it? The answer is yes, because it has no time frame. Secondly, it is unlimited. Every time that you get 5 people, you will get additional 24,500. Every 5 people po yan. Question, kailangan ba namin mag-join ulit ng silver para makuha namin yung unlimited commission? Hindi. One-time capital, lifetime earnings, lifetime business. So, grabe po, di ba? Give me 5 pa lang yan. Meron pa pong mas maganda. It is what we call just for you bonus. From the word itself, just for you. Kanina, give me 5. Ngayon po, just for you. 4 na lang. So, mas madali. But it's only applicable for gold, platinum, and jade package holder. Paano po mag-work yan? Let's say po, nagkaroon ka po ng 4 people na nag-join po sa I Am Worldwide ng gold package. Diba, meron tayong direct referral. So, 3,500 times 4. Then, may match po na 3K. That's a total of 20,000 pesos. But wait, meron pa tayong just for you. Ang bonus po is additional 40,000. That makes it how much? 60,000 pesos. Yes! 44,800 ang kapital. Meron kang 45 boxes. Ang bumalik po sa'yo, 60,000. Bawi or bawing-bawi. Bawing-bawi na naman yan. Pero, ang i-explain ko po sa inyo is good, better, best. So, nasa good pa lang tayo. Dito na tayo sa better. How about the platinum package? Sa platinum po, it's the same thing. We just need 4 people na mag-avail ng platinum. Then again po, no time frame and unlimited. Pag naka-apat po, that's 9,000 each. Match po is 8,000. That's a total of 52,000 pesos. Now, the question is, how much po ba ang just for you bonus ng platinum? Additional 100,000 pesos. That makes it a total of 152,000 pesos. Grabe! Magkano po yung kapital? 112,000. Ang bumalik po, 152,000. Question, bawi or bawing-bawi? Bawing-bawi na naman. But wait, there's more. Ito na po yung pinaka-the best sa lahat. Ito po yung reason kung ba't hindi ako nakatulog nung napresentahan po ako. Bakit po? Ang ganda kasi ng jade. Ang jade po, 20K ang commission. So, 20 times 4, that's about 80,000 pesos. Now, may dalawang match plus 20, that's a total of 100,000. Now, the question is, magkano ba ang money back or just for you bonus ng jade? Alam niyo po ang total? 200,000 pesos. And that's about 300,000 pesos in just 4 people. Just imagine, 198,800 ang nilabas. May produkto kang 250,000. Sobra pa sa nilabas mo. Gawin mo yung sistema na I Am Worldwide. Pag naka-apat ka, no time frame, kahit gaano katagal, you will get 300,000 pesos. Then again, bawi or bawi. Bawing-bawi po, diba? So, yan po yung kagandahan ng negosyo natin. Just imagine, no? Gold, platinum, or jade, meron kang just for you bonus. Mabilis mababawi ang kapital mo. All you have to do is share the I Am Worldwide business and its products. Ngayon po, what if ako ay naging gold muna, tapos ang na-refer ko ay nag-platinum or nag-jade? Magkano ba ang kikitain ko? Will I get 152 or 300,000? The answer is no. You will only get 60,000 pesos. Why? Then again, depende sa package ang income natin. The higher the package, the higher the income. So, meron kang 60K. Natapon, medyo malaki. Now, if you are naman platinum, tapos nag-refer ka ng jade, 4 na jade, will you get 300,000? The answer is no. You will only get 152,000. So, ang nangyari, 148,000 yung tapon. Kaya po, it's better kung magjo-join ka sa package na kaya mong gawan ng paraan. Kasi, hindi naman po yan matatapon. Sulit naman po yan. Why? Because number 1, may produkto ka. Number 2, may lifetime business opportunity ka. If you'll think about it, 198,800 lagay natin sa bangko. Magkano po ang interest? Napakaliit, 'di ba? Kung 1% per annum, maliit lang. Pero if ilagay mo siya sa negosyo, like I Am Worldwide, number 1, may produkto ka and your family will be healthy. Pwede mo siyang ibenta. O for example, some people ganito ginagawa. Nag-jade sila, 198,800. Yung 200 boxes, pwede mo i-dispose. 1,000 per box, babalik sa'yo 200,000. Yung 50,000 na free, gamitin mo. Personal use and sa family mo. Libre na ang barley nyo. So, bayad na agad yung paggawa mo ng paraan sa Jade package. And take note, it has no time frame and this is unlimited. Yan po yung kagandahan ng negosyo natin. Now, is it really multiple or is it really unlimited? Yes, may 20 times just for you. May 35 times, give me 5, diba? Compute nyo na lang po yan, napakalaki. Yung iba dyan, million na. Jade for you, the same thing. Pwede po yung multiple. Kung masipag ka sa labas, ilagay mo sa I Am Worldwide, ano kaya ang pwede mong kitain dito? And lastly, we have the rebates. Every time that we buy products, we get percentage or we get rebates from that. Just to give you a quick example, kasi normally po, we buy 3 boxes ng barley po sa I Am Worldwide monthly. So, kung 3 boxes is about 30 sachets, 1 sachet per day. Personal use mo. For example, every time that you buy, you get 5 pesos each barley. So, that's 15 pesos. Nakagandahan po sa negosyo natin, lahat po ng under mo na bumili ng produkto, meron ka pong percentage doon. Pati yung mga binili ng mga under nila. Down the line, you will get a percentage. So, long-term speaking, pwedeng malaki talaga yung kitain mo sa rebates. Ika nga sa mga Chinese, okay nang maliit ang income, basta bultuhan. Ganyan po. 'Di ba kung 5 pesos per barley, computein mo yon. Malaki yung pwede mong kitain later on. Ito po yung sample ng kinita ng isang business partner po natin sa I Am Worldwide. No? Imagine, 2.2 million pesos sa rebates pa lang. Ano pong ginawa dyan? Yung team na na-build niya, team of users, builders, resellers, ay bumili po ng produkto, isang buwan, 2.2 million po ang kinita niya. Just imagine, di ba? And make it, di ba, 3 boxes lang. Make it 6 boxes. You are part of Project 001 of I Am Worldwide wherein namimigay po ang kumpanya monthly ng around 2 to 3 million per month. Nira-raffle siya every event. And kung ikaw ang lucky winner, grabe, panalo ka talaga. Instant millionaire. O, di ba? 3,000 worth of products ang yung binili mo. Pero yan ang pwedeng kapalit. Now, we also have car incentives. Meron lang siyang requirements. If ma-hit mo yung certain requirement, meron po tayong pang bata, no, 24 years old and below. Meron din po tayong 25 years old and above. Pwede ka pong makahit ng libreng travel, libreng kotse, libreng luxury, libreng bahay, etc. Ganyan po ka-generous ang I Am Worldwide. And lastly, it's for everyone. It doesn't matter kung anong background mo, anong trabaho mo, anong natapos mo, anong pinagkakabalahan mo, nasaan ka, it doesn't matter. As long as you're willing to do I Am Worldwide business, this business is for you. Ika nga, ng 4th President of Kenya, si Mr. Uhuru Kenyatta, if you really love your children, get a business, not a job, because when you die, your children cannot inherit your job, but they can definitely inherit your business. Yung trabaho po natin, hindi natin napapamana, pero gawin natin ang negosyo right now. Let's say after 5 years, you earn 500,000 to 1 million per month. Yan po ay pwede natin ipamana because it is our business. And for our last slide, lastly, I just want to share this company life verse of I Am Worldwide. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. It is written in the Bible. In Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11. We always share this at the end of our slide because we believe that everything happens for a reason. I do believe that there is a purpose kung bakit nakita mo ang I Am Worldwide. It's an answered prayer for me, and I hope and I pray it's an answered prayer for you too. So thank you so much for watching our I Am Business presentation. I'm Erica Ramos Reda, Agent of Hope, and I Am Worldwide. Thank you and God bless everyone.